of the motion to dismiss by the Senate today is not defiance of the Supreme Court. Wala pa nga po kasing final na decision. Kahit ang Korte Suprema po, iniintay pa ang comment ng VP.
So ano nga ba ang boses ng mayorya? With the two minority senators, Legarda at Zubiri, jumping ship at bumoto to archive the impeachment case.
Mr. President, distinguished colleagues, the Supreme Court has ruled with clarity. It declared the impeachment complaint not only constitutionally barred, but void from the beginning, and further held that the Senate did not acquire jurisdiction over the matter. This decision, by express pronouncement, is immediately executory.
Honestly, it pains me to vote against my minority floor leader. It pained me and Senator Lauren. But what we are called to do here today goes beyond a simple vote. We all know that, Mr. President. It goes beyond a simple vote. Rather, for me, it's a test of our commitment to our Constitution and the rule of law.
It all boils down to the Supreme Court is the end-all, be-all. Ayan ang sabi nila. Supreme sila and unanimous ang decision. Bihira raw ang ganoong reversal, although it has happened before. Now, according to them, the people voting in the negative is stoking fire. Na magkakaroon tayo ng constitutional crisis dahil sa legislative overreach o pagkukuha ng kapangyarihan ng Senado na dapat ay nasa purview ng Supreme Court. That we should bow down or that they should bow down sa Supreme Court because again, ayon sa Konstitusyon, they are the ones that will interpret whether a law unconstitutional or not. They also said na ang Supreme Court is the only court to decide whether one thing is constitutional or not. And they decide to abide at respect the Supreme Court's authority sa kaso. Ayon kasi sa Supreme Court, hindi wholly political ang impeachment case kundi isang legal at constitutional matter with political characteristics na hindi nasunod via technicality ang impeachment. Nagdagdag pa ng rules at pinahirapan lalo ang mga impeachment proceedings sa susunod na mga terms. May ilan ring nagsasabi na ginagamit lang ngayon ang impeachment as a political tool para mawala ang frontrunner sa 2028 national elections. That if they don't want her to win, they have to beat her without the impeachment. Kaso, again, that's not really what the impeachment is for. The impeachment is for accountability. Okay? Hindi lang porket, talunan nyo na lang siya kung ayaw nyo talaga siya manalo. That's not the point of the impeachment.